Finally, this is an automatic rotary mobile concrete batching plant. I will give you a brief introduction of it. Let's start from the real tilt. Turning system is flexible and safe during the direction changing, and the whole machine, the whole production line is mounted on wheels to make it totally movable on the road. And you see the whole design is compact. There's more details. We spent a lot effort on it, like this supporting leg. During the working process, it can support the whole machine frame structure, reduce the pressure of the wheel, prolong the life of this production line, the machines. And we use the I bar on the bottom structure to make the structure more stronger. And this concrete batching machine, the size, the beams, even the design can be customized based on your request. The raw material will be discharged into the storage hopper after the batching process. And this storage hopper position changed from the middle to the front, so this space can be saved. You can use this space for the storage of the water tank, the generator, or the control system during working process. It's very, it's very considerate design. And about the belt, because the position of the storage hopper changed, so the belt length will be shortened, save the cost, but the raw material transfer efficiency will be increased. Let's move to the wind system. The wind system, we adopt the load cell with the famous brand, and the control system also with the famous brand. So the function is very reliable and stable. And we use the rotary mixer instead of the twin shaft. So the cost is relatively lower and suitable for the middle and small project. And let's move to the discharge hopper. This is the discharge hopper.